What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm doing an awesome collaboration with Toyota Tacoma and 4-Wheel Parts and getting some sliders put on my truck. So I'm on my way to 4-Wheel Parts now to get them professionally installed. I'm super pumped to finally be getting some sliders on my truck, and I think they look really cool. So I'm excited to get them on, and I'll be showing you guys the full install process from 4-Wheel Parts. Alright guys, so that is the install of the 4-Wheel Parts factory sliders. I know this install video is a little bit different than my typical video, especially an install video on my channel. It's a lot less detailed, and that's because I got them professionally installed, as you guys saw, by the 4-Wheel Parts guys. So it was a little bit hard for me to record everything that was going on as well as taking pictures, so that's why this one's a little bit different. And if you're installing these sliders and you need a reference, I'll be sure to link the more detailed Trail Tacoma article in the description of this video, so go check that out if you're looking for a more detailed install. And I know I didn't really get a lot of great angles of the sliders installed on the truck, so I'll be doing a more in-depth overview and review video later on after I get a chance to get these off-road and actually scratch them up a little bit, use them a little bit, so that I can do a full true review of the sliders. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and look out for that video in the future. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.